Assalamualaikum, online with computers, grade 7th. Now we are going to start chapter number 7, Introduction to MS Excel 2010. And after reading this chapter, students will be able to discuss different points related to Excel. Start MS Excel 2010. Define spreadsheet workbook. Identify components of MS Excel screen. Define cell, cell address and range of cells. Open a new workbook. Define types of data to be put into a cell. Insert data in cells. Move in an Excel sheet using shortcut keys. Save a workbook. Close a workbook. Open a saved workbook. Exit from MS Excel. MS Excel software program provided by the MS Office. It is used to create and format this spreadsheet. A spreadsheet consists of data and information organized in the form of rows and columns. Uses: they are commonly used to perform different kinds of calculations. Spreadsheets are also used in various fields such as school, business, organization, etc. First, we discuss how to start an MS Excel program. To start MS Excel, click Start button, click All Program, click MS Office, and then click MS Office Excel 2010. And when we click MS Excel 2010, this page appears on your computer screen and consists of different components related to MS Excel sheet. MS Excel button, Quick Access Toolbar, Title bar, Ribbon, Rows, Worksheet, Status bar, Name box, Cells, Formula box, Columns, Scroll bar, Status bar, and Sheet tab. These are the components of MS Excel sheet. Title bar is present at the top of the window. It displays the current file name, and title bar also contains 3 buttons: minimize, maximize, and close. Next one is Quick Access Toolbar. This is present at the top left corner of the title bar, and people can perform different tasks with just one click. Ribbon contains tabs and groups arranged in a manner. Each tab contains different commands. Formula bar is present just below the ribbon. It contains 2 boxes: name box and formula box. This is name box and this is formula box. Worksheet is a blank page in a workbook. It consists of rows and columns where you can type data, and it automatically consists from sheet 1 to 255. Workbook. An MS Excel document is called workbook. The default names of workbook are book 1, book 2, and so on. Sheet tab. This tab is present at the bottom of the screen. The worksheets are named as sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, so on. The sheet currently in use is called active sheet. Status bar. This bar displays the current status of cells at the zoom option. Rows and columns in a document. Each worksheet contains 1,48,576 rows and 16,387 columns. The rows are numbered from 1 to 1,48,576 and columns are numbered from A to Z. Then they are labeled as AA and A to Z. Similarly, BA to BZ till XFD. Cells and cell addresses. The area formed by intersection of row and column is also known as cell. The cell is the smallest unit on a worksheet, which is used to store data. Each cell has its own address for reference. a particular cell created by the intersection of row and column. This is known as cell address. Active cell, the cell with a dark boundary around it is called an active cell. These are the objectives related to this lecture. This is also known as cell.